Smith Assembly creates experiences that build healthier, more productive, and more inclusive teams. When we talk with managers and executives, they want to know how they can help their teams feel more connected and collaborate more effectively, especially while everyone's working from home during a pandemic. In Oca Estrella, two incredible innovators from Oaxaca, Mexico, have joined us to co-design a unique event for early 2021 around the topic of justice, equity, diversity, and inclusion. It features a creative hands-on activity, inspiring audiovisuals, and meaningful reflection practices that will nurture you and your colleagues. Smith Assembly's 2-hour online workshops are emceed by you, but virtually facilitated by us. On the day of the event, simply host a Zoom call and screen share our media. We provide everything you need for a meaningful team building and professional development experience, including a pre-event guide and resources for your MC, the workshop curriculum and media, and post-event bonus materials for your team. Would you like to learn more? Let's chat or visit our website at smithassembly.com.